Good morning guys, welcome to the channel. We are here at the beautiful Boskop Dam, Tanglewood Nature Estate, as you always know. Day 16, been tough guys, been really tough. We've been struggling to catch them. Last year, you know, we caught a lot of fish and a lot of big ones. This year it's been a real struggle for us. So day 16, we did catch some fish. Yesterday I caught a fish of 1 kilogram. So yeah, that was the biggest one so far on the trip. But just a recap of what baits does work for us. So we're going to start with Rosie. Rosie's rods. Wacky. She was fishing with the KVD, the Ocho. Watermelon color is her favorite. And then on the other rod, the weightless Senkos. This is the new Berkeley one, the Berkeley Senko that you know we unboxed in one of the videos. She caught one this morning. It was the first time she used it. She caught one, but not very big. For me, I really try to use different baits because I don't want to always fish with jerk baits, but unfortunately for me, weightless Senkos just don't work. Some big carp spawning here near in the spawning bay here where we sit. So unfortunately for me, I had to resort back to my baits that work. That's the problem. If you are used to a bait and you are good with it, obviously you will catch. Eventually you try other baits, and if it doesn't work, you have to go back to the baits that work. So one of the best baits I've used, I caught most of my fish on it, is the Rapala Ripstop 9, the minnow, in this color. At the moment I can't remember the color. I'll remember it later on. I'll put the name on for you. But this is the color. You can see behind my hand. The flash, I don't know. This is just, I don't know. It's my son was asking me what's wrong, what is it with this bait. I don't have the answer. It is just a fantastic fish catch. This is the second one. The first, I have another one. I've been using it for 2 years. Never lost it. Lucky me, never lost it. Caught many, hundreds of fish on it. I've retired it in my box, planning to put it on a wall. That's one of my favorite baits of all time. But this is definitely one of my favorite baits of all time. Rapala Ripstop 9 minnow. So that did most of the damage for me. Then I went into the shallows in the afternoon sometimes, and I caught with this little beauty. Between the reeds, when there's gaps between the reeds, from a quick, you just cast it and jerk it around. This is the sensation. Little minnow jerkbait. Beautiful colors. Caught a lot of fish, caught a lot of flash in it, especially in very difficult conditions. I think for most of the youngsters, scale down on the baits. This one, it's a scaled down version of a jerkbait, and I caught a lot of fish on it. So yes, that's the ones that worked for me. Then one of the other baits I caught fish on is the Guggen baits. This is the jerkbait. I think it's pearl blue is the color. Translucent baits, especially in clear water. They work very well with a white tinge. Caught some nice fish on them, but like I said, not very big fish, but we did catch on it. And then I also got lost free fish and caught one on, you know, the Berkeley Chopo. Fantastic bait. Been trying poppers, been trying walking baits. Lost one on a frog. The other day I lost one on a sensation frog. Had it, but unfortunately didn't swallow it properly. But yes, and then I did achieve at least something this holiday. I always said it's my dream to catch fish on a glide bait. I did catch on the sensation glide baits. This one is the natural color. Caught 2 fish already on it. Caught yesterday evening, I caught one. But this is one of the sensation glides. I so wish if Sensation watched this video, please make a little bit bigger baits. Make bigger baits because they do work. I tried another color, but I think what I've realized here is the flash. The flash is everything. I think that's why that bait works so well. I think even this one you can see it's got a lot of flash. But we still have another 10 days left. So we'll try and see how many we can catch. We did go out today. There was days we couldn't go out, guys. The wind was terrible. Just want to say thank you very much for watching. Have a good afternoon and God bless you. We'll keep you updated if we catch some more fish. Hopefully we do. And tight lines. And to the people who are watching and not subscribing, please, it's free. Subscribe to help us to make content and keep us in the loop here. And just we all learn from each other. If you have techniques that work here at Boskop Dam, you're a regular, pass it on. We need your help here. Last year we were slaughtering them. This year it's just been painful, especially for Rosie. We've been losing a lot of fish. I've lost fish myself. So yeah, guys, so anyhow, tight lines, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.